The Office of Grad Studies oversees all of the graduate programs. It's the next phase of higher education.
I'm a financial data analyst, which is something I never would have thought I would do. And it wasn't until I took finance at UNO that I decided to start getting an interest in finance, and now it's my full-time job. I knew I wanted to get my MBA eventually just to be able to open doors for myself, and I knew that if I didn't do it now, I might not come back and do it, so it just seemed like the perfect timing to do it. The leadership skills class was the first class I took in the graduate program, and you got to work in scenarios of conflict or negotiation, and I use those all the time with my team if we're not agreeing on something.
So I did my master's in public administration at Virginia Commonwealth University. In my second semester of the master's program, I asked my advisor if she thought I had the chops for a PhD program, and she printed off the list of the top-ranked PhD programs in public affairs, and UNO ranked very highly on her list. I found that the faculty here was extremely supportive. I was able to take courses in the Black Studies program to really kind of marry those two disciplines together. And it's really allowed me to explore different facets of my interest as well as facets of what could be public administration and public affairs. There's been so much that's kind of occurred over these last 5 years that has really given me a competitive edge moving into this next phase of life as a faculty member of University of Colorado, Denver. And so having had that experience to explore the things that I was interested in here at UNO and then presenting that at a conference and finding people who were interested in that led to me having the dream job for me.
My undergraduate was in business, and I always thought I would go back for an MBA, but it never felt quite right. I could very quickly see the transition to the importance of technology. It's not just theory-based, which is one of the things that I really liked about the cybersecurity program. And that hands-on experience really sets you up for doing the job in the real world. My current situation is I am working for Northrop Grumman as an intern over the summer, and as soon as I graduate in the fall, I'll be working with them full-time. The idea of going into a field that's primarily male-based and being successful in it, and hopefully also encouraging more women to come with me, was something that really excited me. There's a lot that we can bring to the table and a viewpoint that we can share that will continue to improve the industry as a whole. If you're feeling like you're at a point where your career is stopped progressing in the sense that you don't feel like you're being creative, I think the best thing to do is to start trying some things and see where that takes you. It's just taking that first step, and eventually, before you know it, you have another degree.